Before you start, ensure that you clean the surface of the helmet well to remove all dust and dirt, as this will compromise the adhesion process. Place the helmet such that the left side is facing you. Use the bottom edge of the helmet as a reference and try to find a surface that is best suited for the mount's adhesion. When choosing mount location, also confirm the headset cable reaches the device without any stress. Ensure this spot on the helmet can be in complete contact with the 3M VHB sticker, which is on the back of the mount. Remove the release sticker and stick the mount on the helmet by applying pressure on it. Also make sure that the mount is stuck the right way up.